my sweeties, it's Sarah. Today I transformed myself into a Barbie doll. I mainly used the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I've loved Barbies forever, so this look was really fun for me. So keep watching if you want to see me do this look. Alright, so first off I'm going to use the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm going to dip into this pink color right here. And to blend this pink color out a little bit more, I'm going to dip into this shimmery white shade right down here. Now I'm going to go in with this red shade right here to deepen up the pink. Then to deepen up the crease even more, I'm going to go in with this purple shade right up top. I'm going to switch over to my Morphe 35M palette and actually use this dark purple right here. I'm being careful to not put too much purple because it will turn like a pink eyeshadow into a purple eyeshadow or to like a black eyeshadow really fast, and I want mine to stay pink. So underneath my eye, I'm going to go back in with this pink shade again. Then I'm going back in with the red shade to put underneath my eye too. Then I'm going to go back into this purple just to smoke out the bottom even more. Alright, and to cut my crease, I'm going to use this Tarte Shape Tape and this flat concealer brush. I'm just going to go in and create a new eyelid shape. Alright, so now that my crease is cut, I'm going to go back in with the pink and kind of blend it from the sides inward. Then in the very center of my eye, to brighten it up, I'm going to take this Stila liquid glitter. This is the shade Perlina. And then once you have it in the center of your eye, to blend it in with the pink, I'm just going to use this concealer brush again and kind of just lightly tap it and spread it around. You want it to go over the pink so it's still showing, but just a little bit. And I'm going to do the same on the other side. I'm going to do my eyeliner today with this Revlon Colorstay liquid eyeliner. I'm just going to do a basic cat eye. I'm going to use this red shade again and just sort of connect the wing in with the crease. Now I'm going to go in with my Benefit Roller Lash Mascara on the top and bottom lashes. And to add a little highlight in the corner of my eye, I'm using this, I believe it's called the Alchemist highlighting palette by Kat Von D. I'm going in with this pink shade right here. Alright, next I'm going to use the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the color Milk. I'm going to use this to brighten up the center of my eye to make my eye look bigger, kind of like a Barbie's eye. Then I'm also going to put it in my waterline. This part looks scary, but once you start doing it every day, you start to not even notice. And I'm just setting the white with some highlighter so it doesn't move around. Then I'm going to go back in with my liquid eyeliner and add a tiny little line right here by my tear ducts just to extend the cat eye even further. So doing those basically just creates the illusion of having a bigger eye. I'm just going to glue on a big pair of eyelashes really fast. Alright, and to blend my natural eyelashes with the fake ones, I'm going to go in with some mascara and just kind of blend them both together. I usually like to go with a thicker mascara for this part. So the eyes are pretty much done, so next I'm going to tap into some blush and just make my cheek a little bit rosy. And sometimes I even put a little bit of blush on my nose. Then use a beauty blender to kind of buff it out. Alright, so then I'm going to take this Jeffree Star highlighter. It's the shade Ice Cold. I'm going to use that just to highlight my cheeks one more time. And I sort of want the highlight to kind of melt with the blush and the contour so it doesn't look like Neapolitan ice cream on your face. And for the lip, I'm going to be using Jeffree Star's Prom Night. And on top of that, I'm going to put this NYX Cosmetic Metals. It doesn't have a shade name, it's just O2. So this lipstick pretty much dries down immediately, so I can go right in with this one. This is really tacky and kind of sticky on its own, so I'm just gonna put a little bit, kind of dabbing it on. It just gives you that really glossy Barbie lipstick look. Alright, so then I'm just gonna set my face. And we are all done. So this is the complete look. I use lots of pink and glitter just the way Barbie likes it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. But for now, it's time for me to get back to my dream house with Ken.